you see that thing, man. HIDs on the inside, so these things lighten up, you hear me? With the stick on it. Chevy, just another update. The HDX dash touchdown. It touched down. So my car's at the shop getting some stuff done to it as we speak. And this came in just in time. So I'm about to run up here to the shop, man, and drop this dash off. Go ahead and let them drop that thing up in there. By the way, my old HDX dash is for sale. If you know anybody interested or whatever, let me know. You know what I mean? But yeah. For the girl to head out up to the shop or whatever. I'll catch y'all in a few. You hear me? Up here checking on my car. YouTube. And dash. They still working, man. Ready for my baby to come on back to the house, I swear. Up at Moore's Auto Body. As you can see, dash is out right there. That's the man that's doing all the work, YouTube. So, yeah. It's coming along, it's coming along. I'll bring y'all some updates, man. Yeah, YouTube, you see it, man. It's coming along. HDX don't, man. Three more hiccups.
Music artist, and he kind of pioneered that whole genre. I want you to enjoy this interview. So all you gotta do is tap down and listen.
I can't quit looking at it, man. Oh my God. Yeah. It's a long process. Up here at Moore's. Yeah, we're hooking up the HDX or whatever. She dirty, man. But y'all see what's going on. Yeah, y'all get the picture, man. Bring y'all a little update what's going on. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Money Making back at you. Finally got the dash put in, man. The HS dash, man. It's been a long little week journey. Trying to get everything figured out or whatever. It came out real good. Real good. Y'all gotta see that nighttime footage, though. I'm just giving you a little daytime glimpse or whatever. Let's see what that thing look like in the daytime. But the nighttime, that thing be lit up, I swear, bro. HDX me the dash, changed colors and everything. Got a little app on my phone, man. It came out phenomenal, you hear me? But yeah, I'm gonna tune back in on y'all later on this evening when the sun go down. Cause right now it's about 500 degrees, toting guns, running the weeds. And of course, you know I had to bust it down, man, on this pretty Friday. Yeah, cleaned it up real good. As you can see, try to keep it clean, man. My homeboy Vaughn busted down for me. Side motors. My next thing to do is to swap this thing out, man. Don't y'all count me out. It's coming. Once I swap her out, you know it's real. Well, y'all continue to follow on, man. But yeah, this nighttime footage is gonna be exclusive. It's gonna be like a whole goddamn I don't even know what to call it. We're gonna call it a cockpit when the sun go down, you hear me? But yeah, y'all stay tuned though. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, or whatever. Down front end lit up on that old 88, man. What y'all think, YouTube? Try to get this gas station footage in a minute, man. Yeah, man, you see that thing, man. HDX on the inside, too. These things lighting up, you hear me? With the stick on it. Y'all see that thing, man? I'm so in love with it. Motherfucker change like every color you want it to change. You name it, it'll do it. But yeah, we finna get in these streets.